Cheers and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yeah, Santa's had a few. No, just kidding. Still getting there. Yes, this is the holiday gift recommendation videos, and this is the first one. And this one is geared for non-brewers, people who are curious, and people who just really like beer things. I mean, anything beer related. This thing can also do ciders and seltzers too. Yeah, just saying. Also, this item is amazing for people who have no equipment at all. That's right, zero equipment. All you have is maybe a pint glass to drink the beer. So, yeah. Or like I said, seltzer or cider. And that is, ready? Drum roll, the Pinter. And that's like a giant exclamation. Yeah, it's the Pinter. It's a very inexpensive gift when it comes to gifts, and it is a very simplistic gift. And they're running a cool deal. That's right, they're running a super cool deal on this thing. So this is great for someone who's just curious or just likes to have beer stuff, you know? Because you don't need to buy anything else when you buy a Pinter. What you're gonna do, I'm gonna have a code below. No, it's not an affiliate. Nope. And it's gonna give you kind of the same deal they're currently doing at this moment, although that may change, so you may wanna use my code anyways. And using my code says, hey, look, this is where I saw it. The code will be, drum roll, Bitter Reality 50. That's right, because it's gonna get you $50 off, and it's gonna get you something else. So currently, and I'll leave a link down below, it's not an affiliate link, but it will be a tracking link, so that way at least I can see how many people are clicking on the link to check the deal out. But you get a Pinter, normally $150 for $50 off, so that's $100. Oh, wait, I'm not done yet. And then you get to, during checkout, you get to pick beer kits. That's right, you get to pick different beer kits that you want to go with it for free. Two, that's right, two. And so you can get the deal, you have to subscribe. You can cancel at any time, so you could literally get your deal, cancel, but you may not want to. You just, seriously, I mean, they sent this to me and I'm like, been checking out the subscription. I think they change some of the kits from time to time because I'm looking in one area and I see like a list of 36 on the phone app. And then when I'm on their website, I see 24. So I think they're constantly getting new ones, sometimes retiring some, or maybe they're seasonal. You don't get them year round, which is kind of cool too. But that's right. So basically, you're gonna get a Pinter. This is the base that's part of for the yeast system. You get to pick 2 beer kits or seltzer or, yes, you heard me, cider. So let's say you got a friend who loves ciders. I mean, you could send them something like this with the 2 ciders. I think they have like maybe 2 or 3 on the line, but like I said, it seems like they have some seasonal things and some things changing. Maybe kick them a seltzer, maybe kick them something that you like to drink, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but $100, checkout, that's right. There may be some tax. Shipping's free. $100 and 2 beer kits. And one thing that's really cool in the app is that when you decide you want to do a beer and you say, yeah, I want to do it, it gives you choices. You can say, I want it quick. I wouldn't recommend. I want to custom ferment it, or I want to follow the recommendations. And if you hit recommendations, it tells you when it'll be ready to drink. That's kind of cool too. I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, that's right. First gift I recommend this year for small batch brewers, people who've never brewed before, people who are just curious, $100. That's right. Bitter Reality 50. Get you $50 off. We're gonna be doing lots of little brews with this thing. I'm gonna show you how to clean it properly. It is a newer version. It's got some weight to it too. It's kind of heavy. I'm getting a bit of a workout. That's just for decoration. I'll pop that back on there. But yeah, cheers. Don't forget, like, subscribe, keep sharing. I appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Cheers.